Extract social media leads from platform like Instagram, Facebook, and more. No coding required. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how the social media scraper tool help you collect social media data automatically. First, install the social media scraper tool from the Chrome Web Store and click on Add to Chrome, add extension. You can see. So fill the basic detail and unlock free trial. Free version has been started. So you can directly enter the keyword and location inside the tool, select the platform and generate data without opening social media manually. And start process. You can see the tool will automatically start extracting data from social media profile. You can see the live progress and view all the extracted data in the table. So you can see name, phone, email, profile status, website, and extra. Once the process is complete or stop, the data will instantly downloaded as a CSV file. You can use this data for lead generation, influencer research, marketing campaign, business outreach. That's it. Simple, fast, and completely automated. Thanks for watching.